Over these years, Apple released 18 watts and 20 watts fast chargers for iPhone and iPad, and the appearance is almost the same. So what's the difference between those two chargers except for the 2 watts? Today, ChargerLAB is gonna answer it. Let's go! Firstly, the model number is different. The older one is A1695 and the newer one is A2244. The size of the Apple 20 watts is about 41 and 42 and 27 mm, and the power density is 0.44 watts cubic centimeter. The size of Apple 18 watts is almost the same, and the power density is about 0.37 watts cubic centimeter. And those two chargers are equipped with the same USB-C port. Here is the specs info of those two chargers. The manufacturer and output power are significantly different. The input prongs cannot be folded, and we can see a 20 watts icon on the left side. The weight of Apple 20 watts is about 58 grams, and the weight of Apple 18 watts is about 62 grams. 18 watts is slightly heavier than 20 watts. Next, let's check what's inside. This is the front of the internal module. Two electrolytic capacitors of those two chargers are placed horizontally and vertically. The USB-C connector of the 18 watts adopts full pin design, but the 20 watts charger removed unnecessary pins. Thanks to the built-in power integrations IC, only the protocol chip and the output V-bus MOSFET are placed on the back of the PCB, and the groove of the 18 watts charger can isolate the primary and secondary circuits. Both power ICs are from Power Integrations, which integrates primary controller, MOSFETs, feedback circuit, and secondary synchronous rectifier controller, so we won't introduce them later. The 20 watts charger adopts ZN1461C, and 18 watts charger adopts SC1263K6. And then the protocol chip of Apple 20 watts is from Infineon CYPD2134. The protocol chip of Apple 18 watts is from Infineon CYPD3135. As for the synchronous rectifier, the 20 watts charger adopts a diodes product marked with T89. And the 18 watts charger adopts ON semiconductor products marked with S10L. Two electrolytic capacitors of 20 watts charger are from Nichicon 15 microfarad 400 volts and Chemicon 400 volts 15 microfarad. Both electrolytic capacitors of 18 watts charger are from Nichicon 15 microfarad 400 volts, 30 microfarad in total. The solid capacitor of 20 watts charger is from Fujitsu FP5K series, 560 microfarad 12 volts. And the 18 watts charger adopts Chemicon PSG series, 560 microfarad 16 volts. Both chargers adopt customized USB-C connectors, is made of plastic and is fixed by a metal plate. Just as we mentioned, the USB-C connector of the 18 watts adopts full pin design, but the 20 watts charger removed unnecessary pins. ChargerLAB Power ZKT002 shows two chargers can support the same protocols, only PD 2.0. And the PDLs are slightly different. The maximum current increased from 2 amp to 2.22 amp. Well, that's all the difference between Apple 20 watts and 18 watts chargers. We've made a chart for you to compare. And the 20 watts charger only sells for $19, while 18 watts was priced at $29. This is because the Apple 20 watts adopts cheaper components. For example, the withstand voltage of solid capacitor has dropped from 16 volts to 12 volts, and the USB-C connector is reduced from 24 pins to 16 pins, etc. This is the first comparison video we've made. Please leave your comments down below to tell us your thoughts. See you in the next video. Bye!